Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Malta. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're gonna be here, when you're gonna register through the link down below in the description, you will get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. You see it right here. You add the first name, last name, email, and password, and then when you're gonna be in Coinbase, you just press here on Bitcoin and buy Bitcoin, pay with your bank or your wallet, completely up to you. And now just add like €100 and preview buy. You see right here that you're going to pay a fee and you're going to get a Bitcoin. Right then you can sell it also, and then in portfolio you would see like your euro and you can simply withdraw the money. And this is how Coinbase work. It's quite simple and quite easy. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.